Hey guys, it's Isabel here, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Hermès Apple Watch Series 7, which was just launched last week, and I finally had the chance to go into my local Sydney Hermes boutique to pick it up. If you watch my updated luxury wish list of 2021, you would already know that this Apple Watch has been on my wish list for the longest time, but I just didn't want to get the Series 6 because it's been out on the market for a while. So I really wanted to be patient and to wait for the new series to be released, which it is here. So I'm so excited. I'm finally upgrading my Apple Watch because my Apple Watch as it stands right now is very, very old. It is 5 years old and it is a Series 2. I know, ancient. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So it comes in this beautiful orange box as all Hermes items come in. Let's open it up together. I'm so excited to be doing this with you guys. As you can see, it says Apple Watch Hermes and it comes in two different components. And I don't quite know which one is which. So it slides open like so. This must be the watch and this must be the strap. Can you guys guess which size and what strap I went for? If you want to take a guess, leave them in the comments below. And if you are actually buying an Hermès Apple Watch Series 7, also let me know. Anyway, let's open up the watch first. Here we are. We have the watch. This is the watch itself. So as you can see, I picked up the stainless steel in the silver color in the 41mm size, which is the smaller out of the two watch face sizes. And there is actually a rubber strap that comes with it, which is the sports band. It says Apple Watch Hermes here as well. The sport band is actually in the signature orange color, which is signature to Hermes. So that is the rubber band that is meant to be waterproof. So there we have it. So that is what the watch looks like with its sport band. Isn't this just the coolest color combination? And now let's get into the Hermes leather strap, which one I picked. So here we have the strap box. Ooh, very luxurious. As you can see, there is this grayish velvety cover. Flap. Seems like it is a little dust bag for your watch strap, which is just so luxurious. The two parts of the strap is actually in two different pockets. How cute. So as you can see, I actually picked up the Hermès Apple Watch strap in the color gold, and this is in Swift leather. And I actually went for the single tour. So let me put these straps on the watch and show you it on my wrist. By the way, I cannot get over the fact that the Hermès Apple Watch straps come in its own little dust bag. So there we have it. I've actually put the watch together with its gold Hermès leather strap. I just think this looks really quite chic and elegant. I normally don't find smartwatches that elegant looking, but this Hermès version with this beautiful gold strap, I find it very, very elegant. And here we are, I've just put it on my wrist. The leather strap is so pliable and soft. It is actually very, very comfortable to wear on your wrist. It's got a lot of settings for different wrist sizes. I've got it currently on the second smallest setting. I just love this color combination. Now, my old Apple Watch is a Series 2 Apple Watch that I bought back in 2016. So I've had this Apple Watch for 5 years and I pretty much wear it every single day. So this watch has had its time and it started becoming quite slow. So I was looking to replace it and upgrading it, but I was just not sure whether I was just gonna go for a normal Apple Watch or go all out and get an Hermès Apple Watch. And ultimately, I decided to get the Hermès Apple Watch because I realized I've used this Series 2 Apple Watch for 5 years every single day, which is something like 1800 days. So cost per wear wise, this watch, if I can get another 5 years out of this one, it'll be less than $1 a day. and that's like less than a coffee a day, and it is something so practical that helps my day run smoother. And I absolutely love tracking fitness stuff on my Apple Watch as well, and I'm gonna get newfound motivation to go out and work out. I know we don't need a new gadget to have motivation to go and be fit and healthy, but you know, anything that is going to give me extra motivation is a good thing. And in terms of pricing, this Hermès Apple Watch in the 41mm casing with a single tour leather strap is 1,899 Australian dollars. And I also tried on the double tour version in the same gold strap color as you'll see on screen, but I actually found the double tour strap a little fiddly to put on, and I'm usually always in a rush in the morning. So I thought, you know what, I just need something really simple, and if I really want the double tour strap later on, I can always buy the straps separately. And I guess the price of it is quite high considering you can get a more plain version of the Apple Watch in the aluminium casing with just a rubber band for something like 500 to 600 Australian dollars, even with the cellular function. But I really love the shiny, polished look of the stainless steel in the silver color, and I just absolutely love how much the Hermes leather strap elevates the otherwise very casual looking Apple Watch. So I thought if I was gonna get a stainless steel watch case and then add a leather strap, it was gonna be over 1,000 Australian dollars anyway. So I just thought, you know what, if I go for the Hermes Apple Watch kit, then I get the whole lot, plus the Hermes exclusive watch faces and fonts on display as well. And you also get the extra orange rubber band, which is a little more unique than your average Apple Watch. So I thought it wasn't too bad considering all of the features that you're getting to pay a little bit of that extra if I was going to go for a stainless steel normal Apple Watch anyway with a leather strap. So that was my thought process. Now, I'm not a very tech savvy person, but some of the findings from my research is that the Series 7 watch has a much larger display because it's got much thinner borders, so very small sort of bezel area. It's got a much brighter display, so it's easier to see. And thanks to the larger screen size, apparently you can select larger font sizes as well. And also because of the larger display, apparently it comes with a keyboard feature if you're typing and texting on your Apple Watch, which wasn't a feature that was available before. Another big improvement is apparently an improved durability. So it's dust resistant and the glass is much stronger than Series 6. It also charges much faster, apparently 33% faster charging than the speed of charging for Series 6. And there's also been some improvements on the health features like the blood oxygen monitor, the ECG, all these cool features. So the watch can monitor how I am doing. The Hermes leather strap also comes in a lot of beautiful colors this time around. You can get like blue lean, you can also get this beautiful yellow color. There's an orange strap as well, but I ultimately chose the gold color because it is quite neutral, and gold with the black face would just pretty much go with every single outfit in my closet. It won't really clash with anything that I wear. And what I love about the idea of the Hermes Apple Watch is that it is such a great collaboration between two companies that have the best reputation in their own industries. So Apple meets Hermes, you get the Apple technology plus the Hermes craftsmanship. I believe the leather straps are crafted with Hermes craftsmanship standards, and you can even see the saddle stitches on the leather strap, which is such a small piece of item, but you definitely see the quality and the craftsmanship even in this small piece of leather item from Hermes. So I just cannot wait to start wearing this all the time. And my next video is coming up in 2 days on the Sunday as usual, and it is going to be an epic after Sydney lockdown shopping vlog. I take you guys along to Fendi, Louis Vuitton, and a few other luxury stores. So stay tuned for that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you love all things luxury and fashion, then make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it if you turn on the bell notification, because it does really help my channel out in the YouTube algorithm world. And it'll also alert you whenever I have a new video up. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with with me today, and I can't wait to see you again very soon in 2 days in my next video, which is going to be the luxury shopping vlog. Bye guys!